the fog rolls in so quiet, like it's trying not to shake, softening the edges of the things I couldn't break. Then a lone bird calls out, breaking through the grave, a sound so low and trembling it knows me anyway. Funny how the heart remembers what the mind keeps letting go. Some truths rise up like morning, even when you don't. A lone bird calls through the fog, echoing something deep, a promise I kept burying that was never mine to keep. And though the world stays hazy, that voice still finds its way, a fragile aching melody that keeps the storm at bay. I learned to walk through weather where no sky was ever clear, where silence felt like shelter and love got tangled up in fear. But something in that bird song cut a doorway in the haze, a whisper saying, go now, you don't have to stay this way. There are wounds we never speak of, names we never dare to say, yet the smallest sound of mercy still unravels all that shame. A lone bird calls through the fog, still echoing something deep, a truth I tried to bury that was never mine to keep. And though the path's uncertain, that voice lights up the grave, a fragile aching melody that keeps the storm